Situation 27. How to handle the checkout procedure for the guest. The guest makes payment by credit card.
Good morning. How may I help you, sir?
Hello, like to check out of the hotel, please.
May I have your name and your room number, please?
I'm Cameron Harmon, room 302.
Well, Mr. Cameron, your room number is 302, and the room rate is $200 per night. You have stayed for 5 nights, from the 2nd of September to the 6th of September, and you are going to use your credit card to pay all expenses. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Mr. Cameron, did you use any services this morning, such as the minibar or breakfast, sir?
Yes, I had breakfast, but I did not use anything from the minibar.
Thank you. Just a moment, please. I need to inform housekeeping about your checkout.
The receptionist connects with housekeeping.
Hello, this is Susan from the front desk. The guest in room 302 is checking out.
I have just checked the room, nothing more happened. I have already passed all the bills to the front desk.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
The receptionist comes back with the guest.
Thank you for waiting, Mr. Cameron. This is your folio and service bills. The total amount of your folio is $1,200. You've already deposited $200. The rest is $1,000. Could you check and sign the folio if everything is correct, please?
Okay. Let me see. Well, things seem correct. Do I need to give you this deposit form?
Oh yes, thank you.
Here is my credit card.
Okay, sir. Could you swipe your credit card at the POS, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Please enter the PIN code, sir.
Okay.
May I have your signature on the POS's receipt, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank you, Mr. Cameron. This is a copy of the receipt and folio in case you need it, sir.
Yes, it sounds good, thank you.
Mr. Cameron, did you get all of your belongings from the safe box in your room?
Yes, I did.
May I get back your hotel room key, please?
Oh, yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Have you been satisfied with our hotel service, or did anything in the hotel make you feel uncomfortable during your stay here, sir?
Everything here seems very good to me.
Thank you for your compliment. Are you going to come back home or continue your business trip, sir?
Oh, I will come back home.
Great. Have you got the car to take you to the airport, sir?
The driver of the magazine is waiting for me outside.
I see. Mr. Cameron, thank you for staying at our hotel. Do you need any further support?
No, you are so kind to me, thanks.
You're very welcome. This is Simon, the hotel bellboy. He will help you with the luggage and see you off to the car. We hope to serve you soon at our hotel, and have a nice trip. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.